Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a new professional account linked to your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Instagram account, your profile page, by selecting the little profile icon down the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to scroll down on this list here, and then underneath for it says for professionals, select account type and tools, and select where it says add new professional account, and then you just would walk through the on-screen prompts of setting that up, and that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.